Hello, and today I will show you how to export video in the highest quality using the CapCut app PC version. It's available for Windows and Mac, so it will be pretty helpful for both the platforms. So all we need is just to open our CapCut, import the necessary video. So now we can edit it for a little. So just delete the unnecessary parts or something like that, add some filters or something like that. So now I think it's ready to export. So all we need to do next is just to click on the export button right up here. We can change the title, change the export location. So in the main part is right up here, so we can change the export settings. If you want to set the highest quality, of course we need to set the resolution to the highest one. We can choose the 4K, but if your video was made, for example, in 2K, it's unnecessary to choose the 4K because the quality will not become higher. So if it was recorded in 480p, just select the 480. My video was in 4K, so I can just click on the 4K. So now we can change the bitrate. I suggest you to choose the recommended one. You can also change the codec. I will not. And you can also change the format. You can choose the MP4 format. And the next step we can change is just to change the frame rate. So if you want to reach the highest quality, change it into 16 fps. So here we can see our estimated size, and it depends on our video export settings. So for example, now we have 1.4. If I will change to the lowest quality, it will be like 150 megabytes only. So the highest quality, the more size it will take. And now just click on the export button. So that's all, our video will be exported. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.